Hello guys, welcome to the another video of Tech by RR. In this video, I will show you 3 best mobile applications. So, let's start. Our first application is transparent screen and live wallpaper. You can easily get this app on Play Store. After installing, open this app and click on transparent for getting live wallpaper. Click on set as wallpaper. As you can see, live wallpaper has appeared. Our next application is Computer Launcher 2. This application gives our mobile wallpaper a computer type look. As you can see, my wallpaper has completely changed. Now let's go to application number 3, that is Stickerly. With this application, you get thousands of stickers that you can use during your WhatsApp chat. You can also make your own stickers by clicking on plus icon. For example, I am making sticker of Lord Krishna. As you can see, this is how we can make our own stickers. If you loved the video and want some more amazing videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Tech by RR.